What country are you from?
Jamaica.
From Jamaica. What is your favourite dish?
A bit of curry, a bit of jerk.
Okay.
I've learnt to cook couscous with it.
Okay.
I do it with a bit of Caribbean style.
Okay. All right then.
How do you want it?
Look, just like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to need some pimentos. That's important. $4 for a pound, yeah. I feel like buying the whole box. We need some black peppercorns. I prefer to grind it myself. Preference. You can do what you like. So right now, I'm talking to a celebrity. I personally think the twist is coconut milk and vibes.
I object.
Everyone else thinks we should add kidney beans and make it couscous, rice and peas. So,
No organic.
so we're gonna add kidney beans. We've got our couscous. Okay guys, I got all the stuff. Let's go cook.
Ramputu, no nyam putu. No. She fuck Guzo, she fuck me too. What? She want be wife, she not putus.
One thing that I've been trying to perfect for a long time is my jerk marinade recipe. And personally, I think for a good jerk, you need a dry rub, green seasoning, and a good marinade. So I roasted pimento, cinnamon, and nutmeg in a pan, and then I blitzed that up. And I blended all the ingredients on the screen, and I added the spices into the blender, some vegetable seasoning, and a squeeze of lime. Mix that all, and then I let that marinate overnight. When I was gonna make this, I could hear all the Jamaicans saying it's not jerk if it's not a jerk pan. Well, I don't have one, guys. I do have a grill and some red strap though. Now for the couscous and peas, I let my peas soak overnight. Added thyme, scallion, and scotch bonnet. Let that boil for a good 45 minutes, and I added my coconut milk, but I had to let that boil for a while because couscous doesn't take long to cook. Added some butter because I just feel like it gives it a richer taste. If I'm being honest, I was skeptical about the couscous and peas, but it was actually really nice. Kidney bean emoji if you made it to the end. Okay, bye.